Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your song using the website Incredibox.com. The first thing that we need to do, open a browser, either Google Chrome or Safari, whatever it is that you have, and just click Incredibox.com. There are two options. We're going to use the web version, but if you are in your phone, you can download the app. I would recommend for you to be on a computer or on your laptop at home. But there's an app version. So for now, let's try the web version. Now, if your computer does have an ad blocker, this is going to appear. What you're going to do is just go to ad blocker option and pause on this side, unblock any ads, and then reload the page. And then this should be in your screen. You can select these characters. Notice that some characters are blocked. You see this? They're blocked. That means you cannot use them. They're not in the free version. You have to purchase it. But we can use the ones above here. So in this case, I love this character, Sunrise. Let's try this one. It might take a while to load, so I'm just going to ask you to be patient with it. For the song creation, I'm going to talk a little bit ahead. So you need to make sure that your song is at least 1 minute long. Okay? Once the website has loaded, you're going to press play. And you notice that there are 6-7 characters here, and then you hear many options, color coded. You're going to drag, for example, this right here, the headphones, and then you can hear the sound that he is going to make. Maybe you want to use a blue one to this person. You notice the sound he's making. Alright, let's try this hat over here. See, that sounds cool. Let's try now something right over here. It's loading. So far we have used 4. Now we could also just mute a couple. And just hear them individually. You can unmute them just by pressing a click on them. So you can play around with many. You can also just take away the hat just by clicking and drag them down. Alright, once you have done creating and selecting the following characters, you are ready to record. Going to go to the upper left corner and then hit record. So now you're going to see the time right here, 8 seconds. While it's recording, you can also stop some of the sounds. You just click on them. And you can also, on the way, just switch and have them use something else. You can also unlock some of these. So you just have to play around with the sounds. And once you are done, you can just hit stop. And you hit right here, back to your recording button. Then it says right here, mix finish. If you did not like your creation, you can retry it, you can replay it, or you can save it. Now we are going to save it here. Make sure that you have your name. Once your composition is created, you put your name. In this case, I will put my name. You can have a title to it. You can put my first creation, or any creative type that you would want it to put. Dedicated to, now this is optional, you don't have to write anything here. You could if you want. Once you are done, specifically with your name, your first and last name, your song title, you just hit this button, and then it's going to say make save. Now it's very important for you to follow this next instruction. You're going to hit the share button. You could export it and save it, but as you notice, you have to pay, so it's locked. You also have to pay for this. So the only free one that the option you have for free is to share it. Hit the share button, share it. Make sure you click mail. You're going to write your name here, and you're going to share it to me. Get it right here. Student's name. My email, my school email, emendoza@stgilesschool.org. Make sure you do spell correctly my email, otherwise I'm not going to receive it. And then you just hit click. And that's all you have to do. Make sure that your creation is at least 1 minute long. If you have any more questions or any questions at all, feel free to email me, but all the instructions should be on my teacher's page. Alright, you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.